Hello, everyone, and welcome to this relaxing English listening story. Today's topic is something we all need but often forget to value: sleep. In this story, you will learn how getting enough rest can change your health, your happiness, and your entire life. When we sleep well, our bodies heal, our minds become calm, and our energy returns. But when we don't, everything feels harder: work, study, and even relationships. So, let's slow down for a moment, take a deep breath, and explore how better sleep can help us live better every single day. Remember, sleep is not a waste of time. It's the secret to a healthier, happier, and more peaceful life. Now, let's begin our story. Sleep better, live better. Sleep is one of the most important gifts of life. Every night, when we close our eyes and drift into dreams, our body and mind enter a state of healing, growth, and renewal. Yet, in today's busy world, many people underestimate the power of good sleep. They stay up late scrolling on their phones, working long hours, or watching movies until midnight. Over time, lack of quality sleep begins to affect their health, emotions, relationships, and even success. The truth is simple but powerful. When you sleep better, you live better. Sleep is not just a period of rest. It is a natural process that allows our body and brain to recover from the day's activities. During sleep, our heart rate slows, muscles relax, and our breathing becomes steady. Inside the brain, millions of connections reorganize, helping us remember what we learned during the day. Sleep also plays a key role in regulating hormones that control hunger, stress, and energy levels. For example, when you don't sleep enough, your body produces more of the hormone ghrelin, which makes you feel hungry, and less of the hormone leptin, which helps you feel full. That's one reason why people who don't get enough sleep often gain weight or crave unhealthy foods. On the other hand, when you sleep well, your body maintains balance, your immune system becomes stronger, and your mind feels clear and focused. Sleep also affects emotions. When you are tired, even small problems can make you irritated or sad. You may argue with others easily or lose motivation at work or school. But after a good night's rest, you feel calm, patient, and ready to face challenges. In short, sleep is the foundation of both physical and emotional health. Modern life has made it harder for people to get quality rest. Many people drink too much coffee, stare at screens late at night, or live under constant stress. Over time, poor sleep becomes a normal part of life, but it comes with serious consequences. People who sleep less than 7 hours regularly face higher risks of heart disease, diabetes, obesity, and depression. Lack of sleep weakens the immune system, making it easier to catch colds or infections. It also reduces reaction time, leading to more accidents while driving or working. Even one night of bad sleep can affect concentration and memory. Mentally, poor sleep can make a person feel anxious or sad. It becomes harder to focus, to think creatively, or to make good decisions. For students, that means lower grades. For workers, that means lower productivity. Over time, the body becomes exhausted, and the mind feels foggy. The joy of life slowly fades away. That's why doctors and scientists always remind us that sleep is not a luxury. It's a necessity. Just as we need food and water, we also need sleep to survive and to thrive. The amount of sleep a person needs depends on age and lifestyle. Babies may need up to 16 hours a day because their bodies are growing fast. Teenagers usually need 8 to 10 hours, while most adults function best with 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night. Older adults may need slightly less, but still benefit from good quality rest. It's not only the number of hours that matters, but also the quality of sleep. You might spend 8 hours in bed but still wake up tired if your sleep is light or interrupted. Quality sleep means going through all stages of sleep, including deep sleep and dream or REM sleep, without frequent waking. If you wake up refreshed, alert, and in a good mood, it's a sign you're sleeping well. But if you often wake up tired, with headaches or low energy, it may be time to look closely at your sleeping habits. The good news is that improving your sleep doesn't always require medicine or expensive solutions. Small daily changes can make a big difference. Here are some effective tips to help you sleep better and live better. Try to go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. This helps your body's internal clock stay balanced. When your body gets used to a routine, it becomes easier to fall asleep naturally and wake up feeling fresh. Your mind needs time to slow down before sleep. You can take a warm shower, read a calming book, listen to gentle music, or practice deep breathing. Avoid heavy exercise or stressful conversations right before bed. The goal is to tell your brain, it's time to relax. The light from phones, tablets, and computers can trick your brain into thinking it's still daytime. Try turning off screens at least 30 to 60 minutes before bedtime. If you must use your phone, switch to a night mode that reduces blue light. Your sleeping environment plays a huge role in how well you rest. Keep your room cool, dark, and quiet. Use curtains to block light, and make sure your bed and pillow are comfortable. You can also add calming scents like lavender to promote relaxation. Avoid large meals, caffeine, and alcohol close to bedtime. Caffeine and nicotine are stimulants that can keep you awake. Alcohol may make you sleepy at first, but it actually disrupts sleep later in the night. If you're hungry before bed, choose a light snack, such as a banana or a small glass of warm milk. Many people lie awake worrying about problems. Learning how to manage stress can improve sleep quality. Try writing your thoughts in a journal, meditating, or practicing gratitude before bed. When your mind is peaceful, your sleep becomes deeper and more refreshing. During the day, exposure to natural sunlight helps your body regulate its sleep cycle. Regular physical activity, such as walking or stretching, can also improve sleep. Just avoid heavy exercise too close to bedtime. It can make it harder to fall asleep. Good sleep and mental health are deeply connected. When you sleep well, your brain processes emotions more effectively, helping you handle stress and anxiety. On the other hand, poor sleep can worsen depression, anxiety, and mood swings. Studies show that people who suffer from insomnia are much more likely to develop mental health problems. But improving sleep can also help heal the mind. It's a two-way relationship. A calm mind helps you sleep, and good sleep keeps your mind calm. For example, imagine a student who stays up late studying every night. At first, they think they're being productive, but after a few weeks, they start feeling anxious, forgetful, and tired. Their grades drop, and they lose motivation. When they finally begin sleeping better, their memory improves, their stress levels drop, and they feel happy again. The lesson is clear. Sleep isn't wasted time. It's a form of self-care. Many successful people understand that sleep is not the enemy of productivity. It's the foundation of it. Thomas Edison once believed sleep was a waste of time, but later in life, he realized that rest was essential for creativity and invention. Today, scientists and business leaders agree. Sleep improves focus, decision-making, and problem-solving skills. Athletes, too, treat sleep as part of their training. Famous tennis players, basketball stars, and runners know that proper rest helps their bodies recover and perform better. Sleep strengthens muscles, repairs tissues, and sharpens reflexes. Without it, no amount of practice can bring out the best results. Even in everyday life, you can see the difference. When you sleep well, you think clearly, make wiser choices, and communicate better with others. You feel confident and energetic. But when you are sleep deprived, everything becomes harder. You might make mistakes at work, forget important details, or lose patience with loved ones. A good night's sleep can make the difference between a stressful day and a successful one. People who sleep well not only feel better but also live longer. Studies show that adults who consistently get 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep have lower risks of heart disease, stroke, and early death. Sleep helps regulate blood pressure, repair cells, and keep the brain young. During deep sleep, the body produces growth hormones that repair tissues and build muscles. The brain also clears away harmful toxins that can cause diseases like Alzheimer's. In this way, sleep acts as a natural medicine, one that restores and protects life. Short naps can be a great way to recharge during the day. A 20-minute nap can boost alertness and creativity without affecting nighttime sleep. However, long or late naps might make it harder to fall asleep at night. The key is balance, using naps as a gentle energy boost, not a replacement for nighttime rest. Today's technology makes it easy to stay awake late into the night. Social media, video games, and endless entertainment keep the brain active when it should be winding down. Notifications, messages, and lights from screens all interfere with our natural sleep cycle. To sleep better in a digital age, set clear boundaries. Turn off devices 1 hour before bed, and keep your phone away from your pillow. You can also use apps that remind you to rest or help you relax with calming sounds or meditation. Remember, your body is not a machine. It needs quiet time to reset. When you sleep well, everything in life improves. You smile more, think clearly, and feel motivated to take on new challenges. Your relationships become stronger because you have more patience and kindness. Your body feels lighter, and your heart feels peaceful. A well-rested person glows with energy and positivity. They handle stress better, make wiser choices, and find joy in simple things. They live each day with gratitude and calmness. Sleep is the secret ingredient behind that balance. It's what connects body, mind, and soul. In a world that never stops moving, many people believe they must sacrifice sleep to succeed. But the truth is the opposite. The more you value your sleep, the better your life becomes. Rest is not weakness. It is wisdom. When you sleep better, your health improves. Your emotions become stable. Your relationships grow stronger. You find energy to chase your dreams and courage to face challenges. You live each day with clarity, joy, and purpose. So tonight, before you go to bed, remind yourself that sleep is a blessing. Turn off your phone, breathe deeply, and let your body rest. Give yourself permission to recharge. You deserve it. Because when you sleep better, you truly live better. Thank you so much for listening to this story. Sleep better. Live better. I hope it reminded you how important rest is for your body, your mind, and your heart. If you enjoyed this story, please remember to take good care of yourself tonight. Turn off your phone, breathe deeply, and give your body the peaceful rest it deserves. A good night's sleep can truly change your mood, your energy, and your life. Thank you for spending your time here and for improving your English through these stories. Your support means a lot. If you like this video, please like, comment, and share it with your friends so they can also enjoy peaceful and healthy sleep. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy English listening stories. Sweet dreams, everyone. And remember, sleep better, live better.